ube nwa na-ebe cheke nwa na-akụ.
For the benefit of those who don't understand Igbo language, the story is about tortoise and lizard. In the animal kingdom, they had a law one day that for a period of time they would be fasting. Tortoise, being the cunning one, went and was eating in the secret. So one day he was caught by the lizard while he was eating. He decided to keep it a secret. He now thought of inviting lizard to join him. When lizard came to eat, he told lizard that he would be feeding lizard one lizard would be feeding lizard again. As he was feeding lizard in one of the bowls, he choked the food with bones and gave lizard. When lizard ate the food, hooked lizard, choked him on the throat, and lizard could not talk again. So when the animals gathered for lizard to testify to what he saw, he could not speak. Instead, he was nodding his head because of the choke on his throat. So that is why, since then till now, lizard cannot talk. He can only nod his head. That is why you see lizard every time he nods his head. That is what the story is all about.
Story.
Ifo chapi.
Wow.
O nwere aka m ga-akọrọ unu
Kọrọ anyị ka obi dị anyị mma.
nkịta nyere akpa
Nsị agwọ n'ahịa.
O nwere otu mgbe ụmụ anụmanụ mara iwu si na onye erikwala nri na ha ga-ekwu ọnụ. Mbe dịka onye ahụ aga n'azụ ga na-eri nri. Ruo ofu ụbọchị, ngwere wee fụ mbe ebe ọ na-eri nri. Mbe wee tie sị ka ihe a ga-eme ka ngwere hapụ ịgbabọ ya na ya na-eri nri. Mbe wee kpọọ ngwere sị ya bịa ka ya na ya siriri nri. Ngwere kweta ka ngwere aka ha na-eriri mbe sị ya na ị ga-esi isi mmiri nso. O ngwere kweta. Mbe nye ngwere nye mbe nye mbe ngwere nye mbe. Elu ụlọ nke nwa ọ na-enye mbe were ọkpụkpụ fujuo ya nye ngwere loo gbakụrụ ya n'olu. Ka ọ gbakụrụ ngwere n'olu, ngwere nwee ezi ike ikwu okwu. Ruo nke ụmụ anụmanụ gbakọrọ ka ngwere kọọrọ ha ihe ọ fụrọzi olu ọ ga-eji kwuo okwu maka ihe gbakọrọ ya n'olu wee na-ekwesọ n'isi. Ya mere ruo taa ngwere na-ekwesọ n'isi. Ọ bụ ya mere ngwere jiri ekwu okwu kama ya nọ n'ekwesọ n'isi. Ifo chapi.
Ube nwa na-ebe